says the speed that a tsunami can travel is modeled by the equation S, that's speed, equals 356 d to the 1/2. S is speed in kilometers per hour. D is the average depth of the water. So D is the depth of the water, and S is the speed. It says what speed, so in other words, I want to know what S is. S equals what when the depth is 0.512 kilometers. So it's just a plug and chug. So S is 356 times D 0.512 to the 1/2. 0.512 to the 1/2 is the same as asking to do what? What does 1/2 mean? Square root. So now I just take my handy dandy little calculator, and 356 times the square root of 0.512, hopefully I'm right, it's 254.7. 254.7. What's my units? What's the units on F? Kilometers per hour. K per kilometers per hour. See, that wasn't so bad, was it? And that's a good thing to know, isn't it? If you're going to be in the path of a tsunami, how fast do you need to run? The annual rate of inflation expressed as a decimal of a home that increases in value from P1 to P2 over a period in n years as calculated by the formula. Okay, inflation rate, P2, that's the newest year, divided by P1, that's the oldest year. 1 over n, n is the number of years, minus 1. Calculate the rate of inflation for a home that's increased in value from, ooh, this is quite good, I don't know over 10 years though, from 180,000 to 350,000 for a period of 10 years. Round your answer to the nearest hundredth. So it's just a plug and chug. This first one is P1. The second one is P2, so mark your variables. And N is 10. So this says that I is equal to P2, which is 18000 P2. Come on, Peterson. 350,000 over P1, 180,000 to the 1 divided by 10 minus 1. So there's a couple of things you could do depending upon what calculator you have. I can type it in, and in fact on almost all your calculators except for the cheapy ones, and I'm not sure about your cell phone, is that I can type this in as parenthesis 35000 divided by 180,000. Do I have enough zeros? I don't have enough zeros on this guy. Need to insert another 0. So there we go, 350,000 parenthesis to the Now I just need to type in 1 divide 10. That looks like that. Now, for those of you that don't have that capability of that kind of exponent, what you're going to have to do is 350,000 divide 180,000 raised to the, and then you're going to put 1 divide 10 power. This basically order of operations says divide this first, then raise that to the 1/10 power. So that's what that set of parentheses does. And then I need to make sure that I'm not in the exponent anymore. Subtract 1. And there's the formula. And then I press enter. 0.0687, let's see, to the nearest hundredth is would be 0.07. Or what? Its rate, 7%. So it's actually 7% per year. So what is the inflation rate? And for inflation rate is 7%. Not too bad.